Okay, sorry for the interruption by earlier video. Now I have prepared some things. I told you the guiding bus on top was not installed here, so I picked up a pipe and I hit it. Now the sliding bush on top is on this plate. Then the special ring is installed also on this place. Now I'm going to install the seal, the oil seal. This one is fucked up because it's dirty. Give it some little lubrication. Clean also the pipe. Yes. Also lubrication there. Standard motor oil. Press it down, something like that, and then the final touch. Normal I use the old seal, and this time I'm going to use the plate. I hope it's there. Maybe not. I think it's not there, but there's another way to check it. And sear clip, I do not know the English name of it. And we install it. No, I want to have it a little bit greased up because they tend to be rusty. Give it some grease, bearing of ball bearing grease, also fine. Put it in place, and now I know it's not there. I use that ring again. Oh, this is an old pipe, it's dirty. And then sometimes you finish in 5 minutes, sometimes you need a whole fucking hour to do it. What I'm checking for is the sear clip is in place. Yes, it is. It's fine. So this one is almost ready. That's enough grease inside there. Only a dirt cap on top of it. No, don't worry. So. Yes, that's fine. Wow, I'm getting there. It's not finished. If you noticed, it's going up and down, so I have to prepare that. First I make some room. The bolt below, you have installed that too. And I don't think you can see it, so I do the camera like that. I use a new copper washer, or a copper ring. I think you call it a washer in England or America. Little bit grease on, and of course that won't stay. I'm missing a special tool. Let me find that. I hate this. Why? That's not the right one. I'm missing a tool. I do not know why. No, the other one. Take it from here. I think this is the one I need. Yes. This can be a little bit tricky. So first of all, you don't need... Okay, this one is going very well. Now I have to put it in place like that. Yeah, life hack ready. Now I have something to do something else, and let me put you on a different place. So I hope that I have the correct O-ring, so let me check that first. Yeah, that's fine. It's not the correct O-ring, it's a little bit too big, but they are the same O-rings what's on top of the engine, where the water is going down the cylinder head in, so that's the same O-rings. So I can use them, I know. So, first of all, there's a spring inside. Yes, yes, yes. I put the spring inside. Then a washer. Please don't forget the washer, because there are installed two springs, and the end of the spring is possible in theory that it is twisted inside each other. I can't do it at the moment here, but it is possible they twist it inside and turn together and coil up in one spring, so you lose this pressure. Now I have the correct setting. Remember, I told you earlier there are two front leg suspensions, and the other one uses a different spring. Don't ask me why. We have another problem. Of course, there are always problems. And I'm going to explain. This suspension works with air and oil together, and the oil needs an amount of space and the air on top of it also. I thought 140 milliliter of oil you will be needing to work with this suspension. So, oh, that's not enough. That's not enough. Okay. So, let me explain. In Holland you can buy oil, and the thickness of the oil is SAE 10, and this is special oil for front suspension, but it's very expensive and it is not always to find. So what do I use? ATF D2 mineral transmission fluid. It's also SAE 10 and red. It works fine. So don't buy the very expensive oil, buy the cheaper ones, and they are very good. They also are put in steerings of car steerings, and I use them in the front legs too. So 100 cc oil inside this front leg. I told you earlier 140 supposed to be installed inside this front leg, but I do more. I want to have a little bit stronger suspension at the end. Let me explain. I do 160 cc oil. 160 cc, that's 20 cc more. 20, that's not much. Remember, the spring is inside, so it needs also room. What I have done, I put more oil inside this suspension. That leaves less air space on top of it, and when it is compressed it will be earlier under higher pressure and will back off the suspension. If you use this oil too thick, your front wheel is going to bounce. If you use too thin oil, 5 mineral SA5 from B&W, it will go be swallowing or floating like that. Too much oil, the suspension is okay, but it won't go very far. Too less oil, or almost no oil, the suspension will be floating and it's not working properly. So remember, I do a little bit more. I'm something forgetting. I have to install the plate. I told you earlier, because the springs can entangle each other, and now we have a difficult problem. Let me use a common tool, you have to, and to show you if it is possible. Yes, it is possible. It's not drama. Remember, you don't have to kill an elephant, so it don't has to be very turned hard on. It's closed like that, it works very fine. So let me check something. Always use a cloth and clamp it here, not there. This is the working area, about 14 centimeters, 150 mil, and that is the area that's not working. So we're going to check something. I will do another movie about the front springs. Not what I expect, I hoped. Yes. The oil has to go down. Take some time. But this is very fine. Let me check again. So you can hear the oil inside going. Yes, that's fine. It's looking nice and well. Now I'm going to do the other one. See you in the next movie. Thank you.